ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅವರು, ಅವತ್ತೇ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದು. And Suresh Raina has been the other so it's very nice to be share this one opposite here.
So after your treatment, this is the first large event which you are attending. How much you are hopeful that this event will get after your treatment, this is the first biggest event you are attending. So how much you are positive about this game and event?
No, I'm always positive actually because this was to develop the sport. I'm very positive about it.
So what do you want to say to the
Canada is my first championship, no doubt about it. I've been always for this. This is not the first time. Any time for Canada, it can take the record and see what Shivana has done for Canada. Nobody can deny that 100%. And that day it went for the function, that's all. Right? No doubt about it. One more thing here. When Kamalasan sir came here, he came for that one. They could have asked on that day.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದೇ ಅವರು ಕಮಲಾಸನ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ No, what? No, they can make no problem. I'm not bothered because I'm good at my heart. I have got a complete heart because I'm for art. Because we have been in the art and all the languages are important for me. Okay, but when it comes as a mother tongue, Kannada is the first priority. No doubt about it. Okay, I've been told already. I've told even in the last time when I went for award function, I told that I can give my life for Kannada. Okay, and whenever the issue comes, basically for Karnataka, I am the first person to be there.
No one raises question against your family or Kannada sir.
No, there are a lot of things.
These kind of things happen. What it feels to you? Do you think Kamala must apologize?
See, it's what, because I should not tell that. He's a senior actor and I am the biggest fan of him, and what is supposed to be told or not, that is his wish, and what they want to get from him, that is the media wish. Okay, and media should be there, but I am saying it's for me the Kannada is the first. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅವರು, ಅವತ್ತೇ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ when I went to the function, I did not know what was going on, what was hearing, and they are showing the clippings, how you know, as if I am clapping for that, and that type of tricks don't try to show in front of me. I am an actor, I can find out. ಕಲಾವಿದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ಭಾಷೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಭಾಷೆ ಟೈಮ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋ, I was tapping because he told he was my ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ.
One thing ಶಿವಣ್ಣ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಘಟನೆಗಳು ನಡೆದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಡೋ ಸಂದೇಶ ಏನು? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಕ್ಕು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ, ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಾ ಯಾರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜನತೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಾನು ಏನು ಅಂತ, ಅವ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅವರು, ಅವತ್ತೇ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದು.